Stop right there. If your makeup looks cakey, doesn't last, it doesn't blend the way you want it to blend, the chances are that you are applying your makeup in the wrong order. You want to keep on watching to correct that. If you are just learning how to do your makeup, you will tend to make a lot of mistakes while doing your makeup. Now, the best way to correct those mistakes, I'm not saying that we are trying to be perfectionist here or whatnot. The best way is by doing your brows first, as opposed to doing skin work first and then doing your brows. I remember those days when I used to clean my brows. I will start again. I will clean my brows and start again just because the arc was not arcing, or it was just off. Sometimes it can be like that, but if you are watching this video right now and you are struggling with doing your brows or any part of your makeup at all, just know that I was not always this perfect, or no, I was not always this good. Let me not say perfect. Okay, it took me constant practice. And there's this thing I used to do with my brows before. Whenever I have a bad brows, I'll just clean it off. But instead of doing that, I will fail for, even if my brows is bad, I will just pick a mirror, look at it very well, like observe your brows very well, instead of just cleaning it and starting all over again. And maybe you get it and you say, God, thank God, it will be by luck. This time, even if you have a brows that the arc is not arcing, just look at a mirror, pay close attention to what you can add, so that maybe if you're going to add a little more arc to that area, okay, than just cleaning the whole brows and starting over again. It makes your work look messy. It doesn't save you time at all. That's what helped me. Especially when I'm working on clients, it's not every time that you just enter at one swoop. Sometimes you have to tweak a little things here and there. But understanding what you need to actually tweak by the time you observe your brows makes you like a master of your brows actually. Yeah, that's my own 101 tip on brows. Meanwhile, you want to keep on watching, because I'm not just going to be telling you the correct order of doing your makeup as a beginner, but the most important reasons, like why you should actually follow these steps. The main reason why some makeup artists would do their eye work before skin is to prevent fallout. Those shine, maybe they are going for Owambe, or the eyeshadow that they want to use will have a lot of fallout. They will do their eye work first, so that those shine in quotes will be able to clean off properly, since they don't have like foundation on their face yet. So if you want to get creative with your eye, your eyeshadow palette has a lot of fallout, that the moment you pick one eyeshadow, everything will be on your body. This method is for you. Or you're going for one bay and you're going to apply a lot of pigments, glitters, shine. This is your cue to do your eyeshadow first before you do your skin work. Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosenthal and I am a professional makeup artist. I'm here to be your guide, okay, as a beginner with makeup or as a makeup artist just starting out. This is the face you see on camera versus this. This is actually how my eyes and my mouth look. I'm such a calm, nude, keeping it safe kind of person. I think I need to step out of my comfort zone a bit more while still keeping in my style. Although I really loved how this eyeshadow look came about though. I know that if I say from morning to night, makeup needs practice, there might still be that thing that you really struggle with makeup. It could be eye work, it could be skin, it could be your brows, it could be blush placement, it could be finding the perfect lip combo. So we see how we can tackle it together. I will be in the comment section. Alright, so back to my video. The next thing I am doing is my cleanup first. Cleaning before skin prep. Now for this step, you want to be extremely careful, and you probably already know why, so that the brows and the eyeshadow you have done at this point will not clean off. Because if it does, somebody will not come and bust cry. So I really took my time to clean up very well, after which I went in with my moisturizer to just keep my face plump, make it ready and prepared for makeup. After moisturizer, if you don't already know, the next thing is primer. before primer, don't forget that even if I don't maybe put it so detailed in this video, that you are supposed to let your primer sit for at least 1 minute, allowing each product that you place on your face absorb thoroughly into your skin. Remember that the point where you are doing your brows, eye work, you might have been touching your face or using your hand to touch your face. That's why I'm emphasizing on cleaning your face before going in with your skin prep. Never take a primer under your eyes. That particular eye area, don't take a primer there. You need that place moisturized. You need that place soft. You need that because that place easily creases. And adding primer there will only make it crease more. Except your primer is a very, 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 very hydrating primer. Anyway, I have combination skin, so I was using a oil control, or should I say mattifying primer here, so that would have made on my under eyes dried out. So even when I was applying my foundation, I was very, very careful, just as when I was cleaning my face, so that I don't go and apply foundation on my brows or take it more than the point where I'm supposed to. For the skin work, especially when you are concealing, because you have already worked on the eye, now you want to be extra, 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 extra careful when you are concealing, so that you don't spoil the eyeshadow that you have already done. Except you did not do anything on your eyes, and you can now freestyle, do whatever you want to do. You should not have any business with baking if you have already done your brows and your eyeshadow. What I was doing in this video is setting my under eyes, setting my concealer. Baking simply means placing 1 or 2 more layers of setting powder than the original one you need. The main reason why somebody will bake is because maybe they are doing shine eye work, or if you feel like your eyeshadow will have a lot of fallout and you have not done your eyeshadow before your skin work. So those shine now will fall on that excess layer of setting powder, which will now be dusted off. After you have finished your skin work, you will now dust off the shine and the excess layer of setting powder, leaving only the original one. That's the first layer. I hope I'm passing a message. Please, if you don't get it, please, you can listen to this again, because it is very important to understand the difference between setting and baking, and equally why you are even doing it in the first place. Okay, let's do a quick recap of what we have done so far. So we started off with doing our brows, and then I went on to do my eyeshadow. After which, I cleaned up my face, did my skin prep, applied foundation, and went in with concealing, setting, and I went to finish up the eye work. That is adding mascara, doing my waterline. Then I added blush. I don't think I videoed it, but I sprayed my face with my Kiss Beauty setting spray. Then I went ahead to do my lip combo. I love this lip combo. I just used lip liners and then a lip gloss. Yeah, that was it. The crazy part about this look is that I only used 5 brushes to create this look. Yes, 5 makeup brushes. The details of the brushes is in another YouTube video which I have already posted, so you can check that out after this one. Anyway, I really hope you have been able to get 1 or 2 things from this video. I have come to the end of this video. Let me know in the comments if you learned a thing or two. Subscribe, like this video. Don't sit without practicing, without trying, and saying makeup is hard. As we are finishing this video, go and try out makeup on yourself. Makeup doesn't take a day to learn. You need to practice. Practice makes improvement. Okay, makeup is not hard. You haven't learned from me yet. Stay glowing until I see you in my next video. Do take care. Bye.